Work simple, work digital. Not just a slogan, it's mostly a concept and the common thread of a series of technological and digital innovation, which had been developed in order to make daily work of industry simpler and easier, all based on a high level of expertise and know-how. SCM Digital Days is a great opportunity to experience live and first-hand the true benefits offered by Maestro Digital System. It's an ambitious project, a sign of the time, certainly, but also a strong commitment to support each and every woodworking operator and follow the real needs of our customer. Hundreds of industry professionals are crowded the SCM Digital Hub to experience from themselves the latest developments in production technology. One among all, the brand new Maestro SmartTech, the immersive augmented reality wearing the SCM design smart glasses, which allow SCM service technicians to offer remote and interactive assistance to customers. Also, SCM Digital Days are not all about technology. Plenty of industrial insights are offered during program or meetings at the SCM Arena. TED Talks that focus on trends, strategy, and success stories, and added by SCM experts and special guests from leading companies, like, for example, Rosenheim University Institute and Lignum Consulting. 1,000 visitors have attended demonstration of SCM software applications. 50 woodworking machines on the floor, displaying more than 100 processing demos. 2,500 visitors, including customers and partners, coming from all 5 continents. Record number that confirm once again the group world leadership position among providers of secondary woodworking solutions. A special thanks from all of us to all our customers who have attended the event and made SCM Digital Days a great success. Change is underway. SCM is the change.